Hi guys, in this video we will unbox and make projects using myCobot 280 Arduino from Elephant Robotics. So let's see what we get inside the box. I think it's a warranty card or a product certification with a user manual. We will see this manual if required. The packaging is decent to avoid any damage to the product. First of all, let's see inside the cavity. It's an adapter with a 12 volt and 5 amps output for myCobot power supply. I think its cable is also somewhere inside. Here we go. We have to attach it like this and its other end to the socket. Next, we have a packet of jumper wires with Lego connectors. I think it's for accessories. And this is what we are looking for. This is a myCobot 280 Arduino. It's a compact 6 degree of freedom robotic arm with highly accurate servo motors. Its finishing and shape feels professional. Now let us look at some accessories that we will use for making our projects. This is called a G-shaped base, and it is used for holding the robotic arm. And we can attach this on a table with the help of this clamp, which we will see now. This is how we attach the G-shaped base to our robotic arm. We just have to tighten these screws, which are already inside the base of robotic arm. And this is how we clamp our robotic arm to the table. This is an adaptive gripper used to grab the objects within the range. Now let us make a project using this gripper. And these are the Lego connectors used to join accessories with the robotic arm. Perfect. This is an extension wire for the free movement of the gripper. Now let's upload the code in our Arduino board. Now search for the Arduino in the search box. I hope you have already installed it in your PC or laptop. This is the code that we are uploading to the Arduino board. We have used the arrays to make the motion of robotic arm smooth. For uploading the code, go to the tools and select the Arduino board. In this project I am using Arduino Uno. Now select the port. Then upload the code. Here you can see our code is successfully uploaded. And here we got the indication from the TXRX lights. Take the robotic arm to the upright position. Then plug the adapter into myCobot and hold it until this green light glows. Now attach the Arduino board to the robotic arm. You can see how precisely it is working according to our code. If you want this robotic arm, just open your browser and type elephantrobotics.com or just click the link I have provided in the description. Then click on Visiting our robotics store. Then click on search icon. Then type myCobot Arduino. Then click on this first option. They provide various payment methods with safe and secure delivery options. This robotic arm also works with Wi-Fi enabled Arduinos with a working radius of 280 mm and with a payload of 250 grams. It works with Arduino IDE, ROS, Python and open source and provide a good technical support with practical courses and Lego compatibility. Now let's move to our second project, in which we are using phone holder accessory. To upload the code again, remove the Arduino board from the robotic arm and then only upload the new code. Otherwise, the code upload will fail. We have already done the necessary settings to upload the code. Now we just have to click on the upload button. Now it's compiling and uploaded successfully on our Arduino board. If you want to make this robotic arm dance according to you, just for fun, then go to Arduino IDE again. In this, we are using different arrays and you can add more different steps just by experimenting with the angles. Simply upload the code in the Arduino board and enjoy the dance. Guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, you can DM me on Instagram. And don't forget to visit Elephant Robotics store. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.